Good morning, everyone. My name is Karishma Banu. This is my final presentation. Now I am going to present the types of culture media. First, we see the definition of the culture media. Definition of this culture media is the food material or any nutrient substances that required for the growth of microorganisms in vitro condition. So it is called as culture media. And what is the need of this culture media? Why we need? What is the need of this culture media means? In this picture, you are see here it is a mixed population. See, suppose this is a sample from a patient which contain the various types of bacteria. The bacteria is present in mixed population as you see here, and various colors indicates the various types of bacteria present in this sample. If you want to identify or isolate a single type of bacteria from this population, from this sample, you need to grow this single bacteria so that you can obtain it in a single population, which is also called pure culture of bacteria. You have to grow this bacteria in a certain medium, and this medium is the culture media for the bacteria. So the need of this culture media is to grow a single bacteria from a mixed population. Okay. Now you got this why we need this culture media. After that, history of some culture media. History means the Louis Pasteur. He used a simple broth made up of a urine and meat extract. He conducted an experiment about this, and Robert Koch, he realized the importance of the solid media and used the potato pieces to grow the bacteria. And it was on the suggestion of the Fanny Elishmias, who is the wife of the Walter Hans, who is an assistant to Robert Koch, that agar was used for the solidifying the culture media. And before use of this agar, attempts were made up of again with gelatin. This gelatin, it is used as a solidifying agent and it is having some inherent problems, so now it is not used. It accidentally as a liquid at normal temperature. Normal temperature like 35 to 37 degrees centigrade, and it will digested by the certain bacteria. If you see the some composition of culture media, when culture in the bacteria, it is very important to provide a similar culture media. And which that machine should provide the all nutrient components that a bacterium get its natural habitat. So most of the often culture media contain the water, source of carbon, and energy, source of nitrogen, and trace elements, and some growth factors also. Besides these, the pH of the medium must be according to that. And some of the ingredients of culture media includes like water, agar, peptone, meat extract, yeast extract, mineral salts, and carbohydrate. If we have to take the water like distilled water only for culturing of any bacteria. Agar it is a inert polysaccharide. It is cultured from the seaweed and marginal archaea. It is solidifying agent with a concentration of 1 to 2% of dissolved at the 90 to 100 degrees centigrade, and it will be solidified 45 degrees centigrade. Next, peptone. From it is hydrolyzed animals or plant protein. It provides the nitrogen and sulfur to the media. And meat extract, it will provide the amino acid, vitamins, and mineral salts. And yeast extract, it is used to stimulate the growth of the bacteria. Next is mineral salt. Mineral salt like trace of magnesium, potassium, iron, and calcium, which are essential for the bacteria enzyme activity. And last one is carbohydrate. Carbohydrate is to provide the bacteria with energy on carbon source. If we see the uses of culture media means, if we have to it is important to grow the microorganisms outside the body for the following purposes. So what are the purpose? We'll see here. To identify the cause of infection from the clinical sample, so that we can prepare the proper treatment that we can give them. and to study the characteristics of the properties of the microorganisms. And next one, types of the culture media. It having the many types, like based on their some of the here, based on consistency, based on oxygen requirement, based on ingredients. If you see based on consistency, we have solid media, liquid media, and semi-solid media. Based on oxygen requirement, aerobic media and anaerobic media. Based on ingredients, if you see here, simple media, complex media, defined media, and the special media. We'll explain this all in detail. See here, based on the consistency, we seen that solid media, liquid media, and semi-solid media. If you see the solid media, in solid media, it contains the 2% concentration of agar powder, and the bacteria, it is easily identified because it is a pure growth, and it will take the 24 hours to grow the bacteria in that media. And like example, we'll take nutrient agar. It is a non-fastidious microorganism, will grow well on nutrient agar, and it contains the all elements that the most bacteria needs. If you see the agar, how agar will prepare means, the Frohans, she used to prepare the solid medium, and it is used for the preparation of solid medium, and it is obtained from the seaweed like Geladium. The name of weed is Geladium, and it is not affected by the any growth of bacteria, and it will melt at 98 degrees centigrade and set at 42 degrees centigrade. 2% of agar is employed for the employed. Here you can see that the agar Frohans, she taken this agar powder for the preparation of these jellies, and this is the agar powder, this is a Geladium weeds. Next we'll come to the liquid media. In this liquid media, because in this media we won't add at all the agar, so in this agar it won't be present, so it will be remain its liquid media only. Growth appearance within the 6 to 4 hours, and no identification of bacteria, because in liquid medium it will be in a mixed growth. Like example, nutrient broth. Semi-solid media. In semi-solid media, why we'll use this means, it is mainly used for the check the mortality of bacteria, whether the bacteria is motile or non-motile. It is a semi-solid media, we will add only 0.2 to 0.5 concentration of agar powder. And see here we can see the different types of liquid fertilizers, carrier material, different carrier based on the biofertilizers. In first picture you can see here, in this picture you can see the different types of the liquid fertilizers. In this Azotobacter and all Azotobacter and other Azospellum liquid biofertilizers are there. And second types of carrier material means, like soil we can use carrier material as peat, coil, lignite in organic soil, plant waste material, charcoal, compost, FIM, press mud, etc. And inert material like vermicompost, peritile, ground rock, phosphate. And the different carrier based on the fertilizer. IIHR, it will produce Azotobacter biofertilizer. It will provide. And here we can see the all types of the biofertilizers in liquid bottles. This is a granular biofertilizer, and this is a capsule formulation. Nowadays we can see the capsule formulation biofertilizers also. And next we have the based on the oxygen requirement, we see the aerobic media and anaerobic media. In aerobic media, the bacteria which can easily grow in presence of oxygen, like example Nocardia species, Pseudomonas and tuberculosis. In this picture we can see here Robert cooked meat broth, means he taken the broth, and in that he used the meat pieces to conduct that experiment. This experiment, it is a aerobic experiment. In this, the meat, whatever the meat it will contain, it will absorb the oxygen present in that, and it will create an anaerobic. aerobic. Sorry, in this it will create the aerobic. And anaerobic media means uh, anaerobic media or the culture media used for the bacteria which cannot grow in presence of oxygen. Example RCM means Robertson cooked meat broth under thioglycolate medium. These two examples, sorry for that, these two are thioglycolate medium and Robertson cooked meat. These both are used for the anaerobic media. These both are in this also 1% of the thioglycolate solution if we add means it will absorb the anaerobic condition from there. It will absorb the air present in there. Okay. Okay, and the based on ingredients we say simple media. In simple media it contains the simple and basic ingredients. Example nutrient broth, nutrient agar. The components of the nutrient agar is peptone, NaCl, meat extract, water, pH is 7.2 to 7.4, and in addition to that if we add 2% of agar it will become the nutrient broth, and it will nutrient broth become nutrient agar. And the synthetic or defined media, it is also known as synthetic media. These media contain the pure chemical substances. The substances it contain in exact concentration. And if we take an example of peptone water, in this we can take the exact concentration like 1% of peptone and NaCl is 0.5%. It is a name used for the research purpose. That's why we use as an exact concentration. And the semi-defined media, in which media will take the in which the concentration is approximate but not the exact. Okay, in semi-defined media we will take the concentration but approximate concentration, but we are not taking the exact concentration in semi-defined media. And the next we have is non-synthetic complex media. In non-synthetic complex media, when we add some extra nutrient substances to the simple media, it becomes the complex media, such as we add some egg, serum, blood, etc. LG media, Lupus serum, slop. These two are the examples of this, like in LJ media, Lawnston Junction media. See here we can see the Lawnston Junction media. This is in this green color. He conducted the experiment, and here Rufus serum, Cyanobacterium difera, and this bacteria he conducted the and this Cyanobacterium difera was rapidly will grow on this media and produce a significant growth within a 4 to 6 hours. In special media, if you see in special media, this is an important media. These media contain the special substances for the growth of bacteria. The categories like enrichment media, enriched media, selective media, indicator media, differential media, transport media, sugar media. We see the enriched media means first enriched media. It is a liquid media used to isolate the pathogen from a mixed culture, stimulate the growth of desired bacteria. It will inhibit the growth of unwanted bacteria. Media is incorporated with inhibitory substance to suppress the unwanted organisms and increase in number of desired bacteria. Like example, Saline F broth for the isolation of Salmonella and Shigella, and tetratynoid broth inhibit the California, and alkaline peptone water for the Vibrio cholerae. Here we can see this all here. Saline F broth, salinate F broth, tetratynoid broth, and here alkaline peptone water. And second one is enriched media. In enriched media, substances like blood, serum, egg are added to the basal media, and it is used to grow the bacteria that are exacting in their nutritional needs. Like example, bread agar, chocolate agar, and Lupus syrup, slop. And selective media. In selective media, the inhibitory substances are added to the solid media to increase the number of colonies to desire the bacterium. Example, dioxycolate citrate medium for the dysentery bacilli, and LJ media for the M. tuberculosis. An indicator media, it contains an indicator which changes its color when a bacterium grows in them. Example, Wilson for powder medium, S typhi from the it will S typhi it will changes the color from back colonies. And Macleod's medium, it is for diphtheria bacilli. Differential media. In differential media, the substances incorporated in it enabling it to distinguish between the bacteria. Example, Maconkis media, peptone, lactose, natural red tuberculate. Distinguish between the tuberculate fermenter and tuberculate fermenter. Here we can see this here in Maconki agar. This lactose fermenter, it is in pink colonies, and the non-lactose fermenter, it is in a colorless colonies. You can see here this is a pink color colonies, and it is here the colorless colonies. And the transport media. Transport media, this media is used for the transport in the samples from one media to another media. Like a duplicate organization may not survive the time taken for the transport media. Example, starter media. Sugar media, this media contain the any fermentable substances. Example like glucose, lactose, starch, etc. Media consists of 1% of sugar in peptone water plus indicator. Contain a small tube, diagram tube, and detection of gas by the bacteria. See, in this you can do the in this between this the diagram tube. The tube we have to keep invert position in that. And this is a sum of the biofertilizers and medias. For Azotobacter agar mannitol media. For Rhizobium Emma media, yeast extract mannitol agar. For Azolla H40 growing medium. Azospilum is malic acid. Bacillus subtilis for this rapid blood color. And the Aspergillus species, Crasbeck does agar. Vam glomus species water agar. Thank you.